Can we just take a second to appreciate how amazing the quality of this camera is? Beautiful. But before I get on to the trade, let me explain what I did today. I made $326 in 5 TopStep accounts and $300 in my live account, totaling a beautiful amount of $2,000 in one day, which is a blessing. I'm very thankful. And I'm not saying that to brag or anything. I'm saying that to inspire you because I know you want to do that in the future and you want to do it full time. If you're watching me, you probably want to do this full time. So I'm saying it's very possible. If I can do it, you can do it. You just have to keep pushing. Anyways, let's get on to this trade that I took. Very simple trade. We've literally traded the same setup like 3 times this week, which is crazy, but hey, it's been working. Okay, you guys already know, boom. White lines are the support and resistance. Very simple. You guys know white line on the body, boom. Yellow lines are liquidity. Gray zones are supply and demand. Today we were looking at this small little supply zone. Even though, like, if you zoom in, it's not an insane move. But what made me want to mark this zone is that we tapped into it not only once, but many times we tapped into it and we made a big move. For example, boom, tapped into it, made a huge move down, tapped into it 1, 2, 3, made a huge move down. When I trade, I want to go with what's already going on in the market. I want to go with the flow. Okay, just like in life, I always go with the flow. Same with the markets. So, before we even started, I told the team most likely it's going to be a choppy day, but let's wait for market to open up. And the reason I say that is because when I see pre-market has a range like this, I want to wait for the first 20 minutes to see if we break out of the range. So I wait for the first 15-minute candle to close, and that's what I did. So, boom, 9:30 happened. It looked very bullish. It looked like we were going to break out, especially on a 5-minute time frame. Boom, right here. This is my 5-minute time frame on the left side. Especially, we looked very bullish because, we closed above the zone. But you guys know I wait till 9:45 for the first 15-minute candle to open. And what did that candle tell me? That candle closed below not only this resistance zone, area of interest, and the 50%. Not only did it close above that, what am I saying? It closed below that. So, with that in mind, I told myself, most likely we're going to stick to this range. Boom. And there was 9:45 news and 10 a.m. news. So I also waited for the news. Because this 9:45 candle, 9:55 candle, even though it did close below the zone and I did like shorts, it was still moving a little bit funny. So I was like, let me just wait for news to come out. Boom. 10 a.m. news came out and it was starting to push down. And I saw that and I was like, all right, boom. Like, I'm going short right here. I went short. I didn't scale into this trade. I ran in 5 micros. I should have scaled in, but I didn't want to risk like a crazy amount, especially because I've been doing really good over the whole week. I've had 4-day winning streak. So if I lost today, I didn't want to make it a bigger loss. So I didn't want to risk too much. But yeah, 5 micros. I actually closed it a little bit after VWAP, but it was a nice, smooth, quick trade. I told them one and done. Like, that's all you need. Walk away from the charts. Do whatever you want. We're trading for freedom. Okay? Keep that in mind. When you ask yourself, why are you trading? Most of the reason, you want to be your own boss. You want to do whatever the fuck you want after you trade. So, why would you be in the charts 4 hours in a day? Get your money and get out. Don't be... And it takes time, I know, because trading can be very addictive. But if you just one and done, or even 2 trades a day, and go on with your day, you're going to make way more money than if you were trading multiple sessions, trading multiple trades, because every time you take a trade, it's another chance for you to lose money. So I was happy with this trade. Quick little move. Originally, I was going to go for 200 ticks, but since it was already a choppy day, I was just locking in my money. So, but yeah, that's all I got. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to trade live with me Monday through Friday, I start at 9:45 a.m. every single day unless it's a holiday. So yeah, link below. Thank you for watching.